Spritzer Berhad founded in 1989 in Taipei, Perak by Datuk Lim Kok Boon. Spritzer initially a private limited company in 1993. In the same year, this company became public limited company. Spritzer produced natural mineral water from a 400-acre plot in Bukit Larut. Spritzer has 4 wholly owned subsidiaries. The business is segmented into 3 areas, which is Taiping, Yoping, and Shah Alam. Next, the mission of Spritzer Berhad is customer satisfaction, which is committed to manufacturing the highest quality bottled water for the healthy consumption of the general population. Spritzer have 3 values, which is our sustainable value, our planet, and our people and community. There are 3 ethical standards of Spritzer Berhad. The first one is compliance with laws and regulation, which is ensuring product safety. Next, environment responsibility, which is supporting green habits. And the last one is fair employment practice, which is a secure work environment. Next, the management setup for Spritzer Berhad consists of non-independent non-executive chairman, managing director, executive directors, and non-independent non-executive directors. Next, there are 7 products that produced by Spritzer Berhad.
Moving on at vertical and horizontal analysis, Table 2.1a presents the vertical statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for Spritzer BHD for the year ended 31 December. Revenue in 2019 amounted to Rm 374,377 and decreased to Rm 308,450 in 2020. The percentage between the years 2019 and 2020 remains the same, which is 100%. However, revenue in 2020 was increased from Rm 308,450 to Rm 331,026 in 2021. The percentage is 100% for the 2 years. Next, in 2019, the total comprehensive income attributable to owners of the company was Rm 31,267, which increased by 8.35% to Rm 35,515 in 2020. However, in 2020, the total comprehensive income decreased by 11.51% to Rm 23,993 in 2021. Next, Table 2.1b displays the horizontal statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for Spritzer BHD for the year ended 31 December. In 2019, the company's revenue was Rm 374,377, but it decreased to Rm 308,450 in 2020, resulting in a negative percentage of negative 70.61% between these 2 years. However, in 2021, the revenue increased from Rm 308,450 to Rm 331,026, increasing by 7.32% in revenue percentage. Moving on, in 2019, the total comprehensive income for the year attributable to owners of the company was Rm 31,267. It increased by Rm 35,515, which is a 13.59% growth rate between 2019 to 2020. However, in 2020, there was a decrease from Rm 35,550 to Rm 23,993, resulting in a negative percentage of negative 32.44% between 2020 and 2021.
Next is Table 2.2a, represents the vertical statement of financial position for Spritzer Berhad as at 31st December. Total asset for both total current asset plus total non-current asset is equals to 498,900 ringgit in 2019 and 516,549 ringgit in 2020. In 2021, the total asset is 557,947 ringgit. The percentage value in 2019, 2020 and 2021 remains the same value, which is 100%. Total equity and liabilities in 2019 increased from 490,900 ringgit to 557,947 ringgit in 2021. The percentage increase was 100% from 2019 to 2020 and maintained at 100% from 2020 to 2021. Next is Table 2.2b, represents the horizontal statement of financial position for Spritzer Berhad as at 31st December. Total asset in 2019 increased from 498,900 ringgit to 516,549 ringgit in 2020, which results 3.54% between 2019 and 2020. In 2021, the total asset has increased to 557,947 ringgit with percentage value of 8.01%. Total equity and liabilities in 2019 increased from 498,900 ringgit to 516,549 ringgit in 2020 by 3.54% between 2019 and 2020. In year 2021 has increased again to 557,947 ringgit by 8.01% between 2020 and 2021.
Now, let's look at financial liquidity ratio for Spritzer BHD. Current ratio, a key metric for short-term health. In 2019, a solid 3.15 times, improving to 3.49 in 2020, and a slight dip to 3.17 in 2021, consistently above 1, showing Spritzer's robust capacity for short-term obligations. Now, the quick ratio or acid test ratio, exclude inventory. 2019, 2.45 times, stronger at 2.95 in 2020, and 2.69 in 2021. Consistent and robust quick ratios highlight Spritzer's effective liquidity management, minimizing reliance on inventory turnover. We have seen Spritzer's strong current and quick ratio signs of a company with a solid grip on short-term obligation and effective liquidity management. With the inventory turnover ratio, measuring how well Spritzer manage its stock. In 2019, a solid 8.80 times, improving to 10.46 in 2020 and slightly dipping to 9.37 in 2021. Heightened over ratios such as efficient inventory management, swiftly converting stock to sales. Now, the average collection period ratio. In 2019, 67 days, improving to 57 in 2020, but a slight increase to 78 in 2021. Spritzer must monitor receivables effectively for healthy cash flow. Lastly, the total asset turnover ratio, 2019, 0.75 times, 2020, 0.60 times, and 2021, a stable 0.59 times. While there's a decrease, deeper analysis is needed to understand the trend in asset utilization efficiency.
The leverage ratio compares a company total debt to its asset or equity to assess how much it relies on borrowed money. A higher ratio indicates higher financial risk due to excessive debt. So here is the calculation for Spritzer company from 2019 to 2021 for common leverage ratio. Okay, the return on interest ratio, which is when 2020 increased to 62.42 compared to 2019, which is 59.8, and 2021, which is 57.8. Okay, next, let's proceed to debt equity ratio. On 2021, the equity ratio highly increased to 0.21 compared to 2019 and 2020. The equity multiple ratio also showed that it decreased on 2020, which is 1.16, and 2019, which is 1.2, and slightly increased on 2021, which is 1.21. So now let's proceed to the last ratio, which is profitability ratio. What is profitability ratio? Profitability ratio is used to measure companies' abilities to generate profits relative to revenue, asset, cost, and equity. Higher profitability ratio indicates greater financial health and efficiency. So, this is the profitability calculation from 2019 to 2021 for Spritzer company. As we can see that on 2020, the gross profit higher than 2029 and 2021. For net profit margin, Spritzer company showed improvement on 2020, which is 11.51% greater than the other 2 years. The last one is return on total asset, increased on 2020 and slightly decreased on 2019.
Based on our discussion, there are some recommendations for Spritzer. First, Spritzer need to focus to the account receivable management. Based on the average collection period in 2021, Spritzer should prioritize and exchange the account receivable management. This will help to ensure timely payment and maintain healthy cash flow. Second, optimize fixed asset use. The data indicate a need for Spritzer to conduct detailed investigation to optimize the use of fixed asset. This can contribute to future growth, operational efficiency, and enhancing overall company performance. Third, monitor pricing and cost management. The decrease in the gross profit margin in 2021 raised with concern about the potential rising expenses or pricing strategy issue. Spritzer should conduct a comprehensive review of cost structure and pricing strategy to maintain profitability and competitiveness in the market. Last is investor consideration. Despite fluctuation in certain financial parameters, Spritzer consistently demonstrates strong liquidity ratio, reflecting a robust capacity to cover short-term obligation, effective inventory management, and a strong operational performance, as indicated by the operational profit margin, match Spritzer, and attractive investment. Thank you.